Hi, I'm Michael, and
Andre,
welcome to
Divas
Divas Realm
Realm.
Cards
Toys,
and
Travel.
Travel. Now we're opening our two packs from Data Dates na Pitch Black, Mega Evolution Pitch Black.
I am
So,
pitch black.
ano ang iyong pipiliin dito?
This, the coolest one.
Top Chase. Tingnan natin kung ano ba ang top chase ng Pitch Black para
Well,
maano
you-
natin.
They can see it.
Hindi, sabihin na lang natin. So, ang top 10
While you
is
look.
top 10? Blastiodon? Yung alternate art. Mega Escadrille
Escadrille.
EX. Illustration rare na gold din. Uy, maganda nito ah. I want that. Mistis Vitality. I want that
What's
also.
vitality?
Ito. Tau
What's
Cannon.
vitality?
Then Slowbro. Tapos dalawa Delmise. Then uy, ang ganda nito. Either illustration rare or support rare. Tapos number 2 is yung any non-Darkrai special illustration rare. At syempre yung pinaka-chase is yung Darkrai EX na
How about the gold one?
ito. EX
They can see.
illustration rare. At syempre may gold pa tayo. Pero ang target natin is yung Mega Darkrai EX na illustration rare.
It's not,
Ah.
I don't care about the price. The only thing I want is
sige.
the design. It looks so cool.
Sino una? Ikaw una.
My,
So, yan, ang ating Pitch Black. Sa mga nakabili ng kanilang Pitch Black sa Toy R Us, Toy Kingdom or Game Line or wherever, congratulations, nakabili kayo ng ETB. Sana all. We're happy for others. But now, punta ka dito, hindi ka nakikita eh.
don't you dare call me pitch black.
Pakita mo kasi hindi nakikita yung
Isn't there a card trick?
wala.
Ito yung energy.
Oh, yeah, hindi ko alam.
Guess
Siguro.
the energy.
Darkness.
I was,
Gusto mo na
gonna,
ba?
I was gonna go the first thing I saw was Charizard there, so I picked Charizard Fire.
Oh, fighting.
Fighting.
Natin kung ano makuha. Either one of us. This is our first opening of Pitch Black. Ganda naman.
Get
Kaso
Jinx.
makaka-master set pa
Look at
tayo.
this, look at this, look at this, look at this.
Whalmer.
Look at the Wilmar.
Whalmer. Mandibuzz.
Vulture.
Mandibuzz.
Just call it a vulture.
Tremendous Bomb.
Nuclear bomb incoming!
Don't shout. Hitran.
Hitran.
Relicanth.
Is this a fish walking on
Fish.
water or walking on land?
No.
Very shallow
Reversalo. I
bastion.
think yan yung isa sa mga kailangan
Hmm.
na ano eh. Sa top 10.
We got
Pero
a
mas
hollow.
maganda yung pinakaano niya. Yung syempre
Let's
yung illustration rare.
Ah!
Wow. Tabi. And oh, wow. Ingay sa tenga. Oh, gold star. Oh.
Is it one up there?
Primarina. Wow, ganda.
Is it one up there?
Wala.
Maybe that's top 11.
Maybe.
Nobody knows, but we shall know.
Okay, lagyan natin ng penny sleeve para
Why did I scream like that?
yan ang hit na nakuha ni Andre.
First luck magic and kids.
First pack magic.
First pack magic plus kids luck
Okay.
plus
Okay, my turn. Opening Mega Evolution first time.
what is kind of curve by the way? Look, kind of curve. It's kind of curve.
Darkness energy. Go.
Bluetooth. I mean, water.
Oh, lightning. Wala. Oh, Pikachu. Mabaw Stiff. Electrike. Parang foul na to. Reclite na to. May nako, may slow bro na tayo. Pikipek. Banette. Jets. Annihilate. Naku, oh no. And, oh, wala. Oh,
X.
ha? Dalawa. Dalawa ba? And, oh, Horizon. So, out of 2 packs, only 1 hit.
But
Out
that
of,
one hit is an illustration, right?
so, okay, that's it for today. I'm Michael, and this
And
is Divas Realm. Cards
Toys.
and travel.
Travel.
Bye.
Bye 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 bye.